Vanilla Crescent cookies. They're the perfect treat for that holiday season. You're going to need some ground almonds, 2 sticks of butter, icing sugar, salt, flour, and vanilla extract. Add 2 cups of flour, 2/3 cup of icing sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, next crush your walnuts. If you have a coffee grinder, put it in a coffee grinder. If not, some paper. Just crush them like that. And 1 cup of ground almonds or walnuts. I'm using walnuts. And now add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And 1 tablespoon of water. And mix it. If the dough is too crumbly, add another tablespoon of water. Now after about 2 minutes of mixing at on medium speed, I'm happy with my texture. And I'm gonna just wrapping it in a saran wrap. So into the fridge it goes for an hour. Now that my dough is well rested, I am ready to begin. So I just want to give it a little roll, and you notice I don't flour anything. There's enough butter in there to make it moist. So first thing, I'm going to divide that in half. Give that half just a little roll. And I'm going to divide it again. And give that a little roll. And to a cookie sheet, and I just line it with parchment paper. And the parchment paper is not grease. So after I got about 1/4 inch thickness, I'm just dividing them into 5. Now if you're rolling thinner, you'll have more, and if you're thicker, you'll have less. So after you divide them, just shape them into little moons. After all, they're called crescent cookies. And onto the parchment paper they go. Now that they're all rolled, let them rest for about 5 minutes. Bake at 350 for 15 minutes. Once they come out of the oven, let them cool for about 2 minutes. Then take some sugar and just, while still warm.